Hello guys, we have new tutorial again that I could share to you today that I've been learned. Hopefully it's very helpful for you guys. And let's start. Let's go to YouTube, and I would like to share this idea, especially for small YouTuber. They're still starting their YouTube, and they want to do their blogs, makeups, beauty series, why not, whatever. And this title and how to download sounds effect. So let's start. Let's go to YouTube and let's type funny love. We're just gonna type funny sounds effect. So I'm gonna pick this one. And then I'm just gonna get Baker. We're gonna share and copy the link. Kung nakikita ninyo. And let's open another website. Let's open another one, and we're gonna type YouTube mp3. Yan. So YouTube mp3 converter. Yan. Tapos i-copy paste lang natin yung kinap. Gusto ko naman ito guys, kung nakikita nyo, I will pick mp3 because mp4 you could download video, but mp3 you could download sounds effect or hindi nakikita yung video. Tapos ngayon we allowed, because this is my first time to use this in my Mac, but then we are downloading sounds effect. So yeah, na-download na natin siya guys. So yun muna, ang daming naka-open sa akin. Tapos check natin, ayan guys, kung nakikita nyo, kung sa laptop, pwede din sa cellphone, pero ginamit ko tong cellphone. Ginamit ko lang po tong laptop ko. So hopefully you learn something this video guys, and don't forget to subscribe. So, we're done the tutorial guys. Please don't forget to subscribe and click the notification bell. Like and share para may new upload at or any tutorial akong i-share sa inyo. You're still updated guys. And always take care. And always wear a mask guys. Thank you so much. See you the next vlog. Bye-bye for now.